The managing director at Swazi Bank Zakhele Lukhele has extended his apologies to the bank's customers for the affected usage of ATMs yesterday afternoon countrywide, we report.
The disconnection happened yesterday at around 2 in the afternoon. It affected the usage of ATMs throughout the country. This caused a lot of frustration among Swazi Bank clients because they couldn't access their money through ATMs, but instead they were forced to go inside the bank. Some of the ATMs that are affected include the ATM at Gables Ezuluni, at Sipofaneni, Manzini and Sitegi. Swazi Bank Managing Director Zakhele Lukhele extends his apologies to the bank's clients and said the ATMs are up and running again.
We would like to apologize to our customers for the outage which happened, I think, between 2 o'clock and about 7 o'clock. During this time, we tried to switch connections from the landline connections to the internet connections. Unfortunately, the internet connections were also not as reliable, so it ended up being a situation that unfortunately affected most of our customers, and we would like to apologize. And as Swazi Bank, we are now trying to invest in third connections, because we have now 2 connections. We have one which goes through telephone lines, landline. We also have internet connection, but we are now investing in a satellite connection. So if any one of the lines is not working, we should be able to switch from one to the other and make our ATMs even more reliable.
Lukhele assures Swazi Bank clients that they will have better reliable ATMs by next month. For Swazi TV News, I'm Lungile Makakula with Mbongwa Dube in Babane.